fisheries and marine resources. How can a nation surrounded by such risks to ensure that our marine blessings remains that not only for us but for generation for yet to come? The Philippines, a nation of more than 7,000 islands, is surrounded by waters that overflow with beauty, diversity, and life. Our marine ecosystem are among the richest in the world, supporting coral reefs, mangrove forests, and countless species that form the backbone of our fisheries. This fisheries sector has long been one of our country's most vital lifeline, providing income, nutrition, and opportunities to millions of Filipinos. However, as the years go by, signs of strain have slowly surfaced in these once abundant waters. Overfishing, habitat degradation with countless communities has begun to affect both of our marine biodiversity and livelihood to depend on it. These challenges remind us that our natural resources, while generous, are not accessible. But the same waters that face difficulty, there is also hope. Through sustainable practices, scientific advancement, and responsible governance, we can revive the balance between man and nature. The stories of our fisheries, therefore, is not one of despair but one of renewal, resilience, and shared responsibility. Let us picture a fisherman sitting out before dawn. His small boat cutting across the calm water as he hoped for the good catch to feed his family. We can almost see the balance between. We can almost see the vibrant markets that come alive with laughter, color, and the scent of the day's harvest from the sea. These moments are familiar to many of us. For they represent more just livelihood. They mirror our nation's deep connection to the ocean. Yet, there are times when the cat is smaller. The reefs are vibrant. The tide seems to carry a quitter song. These experiences resonate with countless communities who depend on the sea's generosity for survival. Still, the Filipino spirit remains steadfast, returning challenges into opportunities for innovation and cooperation. Across the country's sustainable fishing program, a marine protected areas are community-driven projects are taking shape. These government agencies, local leaders, private organizations are united to rebuild what has been lost and who take what remains. Even ordinary citizens, through awareness and actions, are learning to care our marine environment. This unity reminds us that every effort, no matter how long, contributes as larger purpose and eye of preservation and progress. As we reflect of the state of our fisheries and marine resources, we are reminded that ocean future is in our hands. It has given us food, livelihood, inspiration, gifts that deserve gratitude and protection in returning. Sustaining our seas means ensuring that future generations can still experience their audience and beauty. The call of conservation is not merely an environmental duty. It is a moral national responsibility. Every decision we can make today, whether in policy. Thank you.